After 30 minutes of proofing, we are ready for the first coil fold. We are going to do more of these throughout the process, but for the first one, you'll see that the dough is still pretty slack, so you don't expect to immediately fold the bottom part underneath. It will take maybe 2 tries to get to the stage where the dough has completely separated from the bowl. So that's one. Turn it around, stretch, let it drop, stretch again, and fold. And then we do this to the 2 other sides. The dough still feels like it will never be ready at this point. It's still liquid, it's still spreading out, but this is deceiving. By the time we're done with it, it will be the perfect thing.